Hello Spartan family, Ben Segueda here. I'm the executive chef for Brody Landon. Today I'll be making for you Picadillo. This is part of the Recipes from Home series. So Picadillo is a dish that my parents would make for me and my family during the weekends. Weekends were the time where we could get together and eat. So this was another one of the dishes my dad would make for us all. This dish is a fairly easy dish that you can make at home. There's many applications that you can use with this dish. I'm going to cook it in two ways. So over rice will be one way that I'll have it presented for you, and the other way will be served with a tortilla. Let's go and start cooking. First, what we'll do is we're going to roast all the tomatoes and the onions for about 15 minutes. So we have a Guajillo pepper, and we have 2 chile de árbol. So these ones are a little bit spicier, and if you don't want to use the spicy ones, you can go with a chipotle or an ancho pepper, and that'll work just as fine. We want to get these soaking in some hot water to kind of rehydrate them. You can either cut the tops off, and if you don't want the seeds, you can kind of open it up and just kind of bang them right out into a trash can or recycling or wherever you would like. Put it right into your pan. I'm actually going to leave the seeds in from the chile de árbol so I can get a little bit of heat to the sauce. So here you can see they're not really as charred as I would like them, but the garlic is starting to get charred, so we want to take those out. You'll want to add about a tablespoon of fresh Mexican oregano. It's not as sweet as the Italian. You want to put a little bit of salt and then some pepper to taste as well. And then we're going to use some Caldo de Pollo. This is basically a chicken bouillon. Picadillo is kind of a dish that's unique to the families or the region that you come from. So most people, when they make picadillo or think of picadillo, it has potatoes, ground beef, and your tomato sauce. Here you'll see I'm going to put corn in mine. It kind of gives it an extra sweetness that kind of goes with the heat. Picadillo is kind of like mac and cheese. It's something that's personal to you. Do you like it creamy and velvety, or do you like it really dry and out of the oven with a little bit of breadcrumbs on top? So it's basically how you've grown up, and that's basically what the series is about, is what you grew up with and what your family got to enjoy on either holidays or on your weekends or days off. If you're using frozen peas and carrots or canned, you don't need to cook them that much, so they go right in at the end. That was Picadillo from the Segueda family. This is how we would make it. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.